If time were money, you'd be setting fire to a suitcase full of cash every year doing boring stuff like renaming files or deleting spam emails. But don't worry, I've got you covered. That's 400 hours a year. Multiply that by 60 minutes, then 60 seconds. Boom! Over 1.4 million seconds saved. That's enough time to binge watch your favorite show, twice. Now, what's the funniest task you wish AI could do for you? Fold your laundry? Pretend your Wi-Fi is down during Zoom calls? I'm Ashiqur Rahman Avatar, your AI buddy. Let's make it happen. Coming in hot at number 1, Google AI Studio. This thing is like having a real-life tutor on your screen. Just click Start Recording, pick the window like Premiere Pro, and ask it questions. Want to remove a blue screen background? Ask it. Boom, it guides you step by step, and even checks if you're following along. It's like Magic Zoom School for software. And yes, you can even use your phone camera to get help with stuff like homework, furniture assembly, or understanding weird documents. Tool number 2 is a brainiac Google Gemini Deep Research. You ask it a detailed question like, what is PRP therapy for shoulders? And it runs off to read like 100 plus websites in minutes. Then it comes back with a custom research report, with sources, risks, comparisons, and even controversies. Perfect for students, doctors, nerds, or anyone who's tired of reading 20 tabs of junk. It's part of Gemini Advanced, so there's a small monthly fee after the free trial, but wow, it's worth it. Number 3. The MVP, ChatGPT with Custom GPTs. This is like building your own smart assistant. You feed it some files, tell it how you work, and bam, it helps write scripts, emails, or even kids coloring book pages. You can create projects that remember your tasks, like making YouTube shorts, crafting hooks, or writing sales emails. My fave trick? Summoning GPTs by name in any chat using it. It's like calling your robot sidekick mid-convo. At number 4, meet Gamma, the AI that turns text into slides faster than you can say PowerPoint panic. Just write what you need, show the future of AI in schools. And it builds a whole presentation with text, layouts, and on-brand visuals. Need a website or doc instead? Gamma's got you. But where it shines is saving hours on making slides that don't look like they were made in 2006. Last but wildest, NotebookLM from Google. It's like a super researcher and podcast host in one. Upload your PDFs, YouTube links, or even books. Then ask it questions and it will tell you exactly where the info came from. But here's the fun twist, you can hit podcast mode and it turns your info into a full-blown podcast, with conversations, jokes, and custom voices. You can even jump in mid-podcast and ask questions to steer the convo. So those are my top 5 AI tools that can save you million seconds in 2025. From editing help to writing assistance, instant research, and even making your own mini radio show, the future is literally now. If you found a new tool you're excited to try, hit like, share this with your AI curious bestie, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild tech magic. Stay curious. Stay efficient. And remember, let the robots do the boring stuff.